It's a 2016 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably Audi. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, integrated navigation system, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.